So I've got an amazing, wonderful mixed vegetable curry on the go today. Lots of different vegetables in there, loads of vitamins and that for you there. Cooked with coconut milk, Indian style. It is absolutely delicious. It's healthy. It's vegetarian. It's vegan. It's fantastic. It's easy. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this beauty. Okay, so there looks like quite a lot on the go here, doesn't it? So if you're going to make Indian type curry, generally you can't make it without these three: potatoes, eggplant and cauliflower. You generally find that in all of them, and then all the other vegetables are additional to how you want. So I've got carrots, bell peppers, mushrooms, zucchini, onions of course, and the amounts of everything are entirely up to you. You can see I've kind of roughly got equal amounts of these guys and probably double the potato. Fresh chili to taste, a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, some fresh cilantro or coriander, what I always call the big four. So we've got like a teaspoon each of chili powder. By the way, I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. Cumin, coriander, turmeric. Now if you want, you can use a curry powder that you have already. Some fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. If not, don't worry, you might be able to get them dried. And we're going to start this off with some oil and some green cardamom pods today. Now we've also got at the back, I'm not sure if you can see that, I've got coconut milk. That's what we're going to use in as the masala or the sauce. Bit of salt, a couple of other things maybe. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got a large saucepan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could, of course, be using something different. Coconut oil, mustard oil, something like that, up to you. In goes those green cardamom pods and the curry leaves. Then we're going to drop in our onion. And you want to now be adding your hard vegetables. So in my case it's potato and the carrots. So we're on quite a lively high heat. I'll be back in about 3 to 4 minutes. So we've just give that a little couple of minutes head start. Next up, we're now going to go in with our next hardest vegetables, cauliflower and the eggplant. We're also going to add to that the fresh chili, our garlic ginger paste, which is a mix, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I'm going to add some salt. And now we're going to add our spices. Let's just take one more look at them. So equal amounts, teaspoon each, chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. In that goes. Okay, stay on this kind of lively high heat. Keep it moving all the time now for another 3 to 4 minutes. Wonderful. And then our last vegetable. So we're going to go with the bell peppers, the zucchini, courgette, kusa, whatever you call that, and our fresh mushrooms. Again, about roughly equal amounts. And very simply, another 4 minutes staying on this heat. All our vegetables are in now. Stir often. Absolutely fabulous and super easy. What we're going to do now is add some water, about 150 ml, and then 400 ml of coconut milk. Let me just splash a bit of water into that jar. Just rinse it out, you know. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this and we're going to let it go for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how chunky you've cut your vegetables. But you know what we're looking for. We're looking for nice tender potatoes, carrots, eggplants, cauliflower, blah, blah, blah. It's beautiful. Leave it alone. Make yourself a cup of tea. Okay. Let's jump in and have a look, shall we? Steam out. That is looking absolutely gorgeous. Now there's only one more thing I'm going to add to this, and I didn't show you this earlier. I've got some lovely fresh spinach here, or palak. You can use any sort of green vegetable you like. That's just going to go in 3 more minutes. Then I'll be back. Delicious, delicious, delicious stuff. Okay, we've done it. Off goes the heat. Again, let's get some steam out of there so it doesn't go on the camera. Now, nice couple of pinches of garam masala powder, which is a lovely little finishing spice. The fresh coriander or cilantro. And you've done it. Check that for salt. It's going to be fantastic for me. But you've got yourself an amazing vegetable curry there. Let me get that plated up. Beautiful. Okay, and there you have it. That is absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.